This might be the perfect wall light for your reading chair or bedside. Let's do a quick install and then we'll talk about the light. First, determine and mark on the wall where you want the light. Then level the mounting hole marks before you drill. Next, drill 2 holes, one for each screw in the mounting bracket. Tap in the wall anchors to help secure the light to the wall. You'll have to remove the mounting bracket from the light before screwing it into the wall. Use a screwdriver to screw the mounting bracket in place. Be sure to not over tighten, as you don't want to strip out the wall anchors. From here, it's really easy. Just line up the holes on the side of the light with the mounting bracket and secure the light to the bracket with the included screws. For a flush mount finish, gently press the light up against the wall and tighten. They have included instructions on how to direct wire to an outlet to hide the wires in the wall. I just elected not to do that. As you can see, I mounted this light next to my reading chair. The upwards light makes it very easy to read as it doesn't shine right on your face. You can also aim the arm for a more focused lighting effect. I use the shelf to hold my phone or a lowball cocktail glass while watching TV as well. The included USB charging port is a really nice touch. For under $40 on Amazon, there's a lot of value here. I'll put a link to the light in the description below. Thanks for watching.